Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this 1978 Chevy Nova Beastie, powered by a 383, aluminum heads, 700R transmission, disc brakes, track bars, sitting on the 15-inch wheels, great tires. Body is clean, pretty much all original panels. Check this little beast out. You're gonna love it. A lot of fun. We're gonna take this puppy for a ride. It scoots. Look how clean this trunk is. It's the way it should be. Couple tiny little spots with your surface stuff, but that's nothing. I mean, this thing is solid, clean, real car. Weather stripping's good. Factory weld. Nice. Nice gold metallic. Got a great stance on it. Let me get back a little bit so you see this. Yeah, I know. I've been waiting to show you why this car is here and why would we buy this car. This is why. 383 built, aluminum heads, power steering, all your hoses are good, clean compartment in here. Looks nice inside. Got a Holly carb 4-barrel, great upgraded on the headers, great exhaust sound. How nice it is inside here. That's why we bought this. All your belts are good. Optima battery, a lot of love in there. A lot of performance. Hang on. Hinges are good. This one's up just a little bit. Lines up great. The hood. But this one little, this just needs a little adjustment here. Let me see if I can push it down. A little better. A little better, but it's fine. It's fine. I just want you to know. It's got SS badging. Bumper's good. That's what it is. Sleeper too. There you go. All your lights, turn signals, wipers are all working the way they should. Front fender has no paint flaws and lines up great with the door. All the way on the bottom. Door to quarter, great for yourself. Look how that is. Look at that gap. Those are your traction bars down there. Great tread on the tires. Nice thick 51 in the back. Body's straight. Rear quarter's good. All your glass around the car is good. No stories. Rear bumper original, good shape. All your back lights are good. Lines up good, the trunk. All your chrome and weather stripping's all in good shape. Yeah, this car's really nice. I just got done driving it and we're gonna go for a ride. It really is fun. It scoots. What a great value. Quarter's good. Lines up great. On the bottom it lines up and the gapping on the fender to the door is good. Yeah, let me get down on an angle. Straight. I mean, I'm looking at it on the angle the way it should be. And it's nice. Yeah, body's nice. Interior's clean. You got your seatbelts in the back. Rear deck's good. Headliner's good. Lights working up there. Front seat, your belts are there. Nice and clean. All your weather stripping. Sill plates. That's pretty original. You can get a new one. Those are real reasonably priced on the sill plates. That's fine. Let's take a look at the other side. Door panels are good. All the way through. Weather stripping good. On the bottom. Looks like a set of owner's manuals. Oh no, sorry, I thought it was. Oh, that's got to be fixed. I'll take care of that. Got an updated gauge package here. Big tach, so you know when you do your shifting if you want. All factory radio. 91,013 on the miles. Sounds great. Not a badass at all. Sounds good. All right. Steering's good. Binding tight. Stop's good. Get it going a little bit. 10-bolt rear end, Posi traction. Yeah. Giddy up. Giddy up. A lot of fun. Yeehaw! Nice. Goes through the gears great, shifts great, tons of rip on it. You'll really enjoy driving this. It's really nice. No funky noises. I'm doing that hard turn like I always do. Kick this baby into gear. A lot of fun. Drives great. No disappointments. Nice car. If you want to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 730-ish, please go directly to our website. Find the car, fill out the application. Minimum down 10%. We'll go up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Fill out the application. Usually within 24 hours approval. Sometimes no money down. 84 months, great rates. We've got over 120 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured. All our information is on our website, mgmclassiccars.com. All the descriptions, photos, video, pricing is online all the time. If you need quotes on shipping or have questions on any of our cars, please contact me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 till 2, all by appointment only. Please text me or call me and I'll get you in with an appointment. The number is 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell your friends. Like us on Facebook. Thanks for spending a few minutes on this 78 Street Beast. Nova.